guys, let's talk about sprinkles for your cupcake or for any of your baking needs. And we're going to go ahead and compare these Christmas ones to the Halloween. So obviously product number one, these are Christmas themed. They are red, green, and white, or perhaps maybe for Cinco de Mayo or any other type of Mexican tradition or holiday or whatever it may be. The next one is actually going to be these Halloween ones. Now, I will tell you that these are supposed to have little ghosts as well as little bats and orange little sprinkles as well as like black little sprinkles. And so one of the things that I find though with these is that because of the different varieties that are in there, the purples seem to have gotten on the white ones. As compared to this one, that's not happening. So you decide which one's better if you're looking for Halloween sprinkles. Maybe it's because these have been in my cabinet and, you know, they've gotten old over time. I don't know. They shouldn't do that. They're literally just sprinkles. But you can see kind of how that purple has kind of made my ghosts no longer white. So perhaps maybe you need both of them. I don't know. They are two separate holidays, but they are sprinkles. But I really love how these look. They're very colorful. Thanks for watching, guys. Y'all have a great day.